Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to discuss about some of the students query as they asked in the comment. So I got 4.7 package in the persistent. So can I apply again? I have received the test link, but I doubt that is it possible that if I attempt the test again they can cancel my previous offer too. Okay. See, just to check it out whether suppose is there any like higher package. Okay, higher package means whether if possible, whether whether you can go for advanced coding round. You just check it out if it is possible such an opportunity to go for advanced coding round, then you can attempt it. And suppose if you are a final year student, you can you just inform to your TPO. Okay, you just inform to your TPO. Suppose if you are a final year student, you just confirm it, because suppose if there is any higher opportunity, higher package, then only you can proceed, otherwise don't appear. Okay, then abhi, is there any bond for internship and is it compulsory to do job after the internship? There is no bond, there is no agreement, or there is no bond for the internship. Okay, it is up to you. Even if you are not interested, even you can opt for the career campus, that training program from the persistent. So either you can go for internship or that career campus. Is it compulsory to do job after the? Okay, it is not compulsory, but the thing is like after the internship. Okay, after the immediately their joining will be there. Okay, joining in the persistent. Okay, they immediately they proceed all the operation, like the process. So you better you stick with one company. Suppose if you get a good opportunity, if there is a difference of 1 lakh per annum. Okay, if suppose if there is if you get good opportunity, then you can think about after the internship. Okay, but it is possible if you get a good opportunity, no, you can change. So the persistent, actually they conduct the off-campus. I have seen like the off-campus for the BSc, BCA. Okay, so such students for such MCA. Okay, because normally for engineering students, they recruit from the in-campus only through these the test process and all. Through that they will recruit the student. Even if there is a requirement, they conduct the off campus. When we accept selection mail for internship and full-time offer letter, is there any option that we can reject the offer letter and move on with other company? Yeah, you can. That's why I told. Okay, Rakesh, suppose if you get a good opportunity, you can switch. Okay, it won't create any problem, because still you are a fresher and you are not submitted any bond agreement and all. Okay, so you can change. So if you get a good package, better opportunity, you can change. It won't create any problem, they can understand. So that's why they are hiring, normally now whatever they are done the hiring, so out of that around 60 to 70 people only they join, even though they are accepted. Okay, because nowadays the students are getting on an average of 5 LPA minimum, 5 LPA package, average package. Okay, so I think only 60-70 people percentage only they will join, and in that also, like suppose if they get higher opportunity, definitely the students will go to different company, because still the process is going on for the final year batch. People will they provide laptop? I think laptop on that not during the internship, but during the full-time employment. Full-time employment. Okay, during your when you join, that time they will provide. Duration of the training, and the training duration is around 2.5 to 3 months. Okay, means it last year it was there. Okay, training means it is like when you join the company, your training will start. Okay, and internship will be as they are telling, like it is a 6 month. Okay, 6 month internship. It may reduce also 5 months also, maybe 5 or 6 month. It depend. Internet, yeah, I heard this. Like internet charges they are providing even during the internship also. During the internship, they are providing that I heard that 10K plus around 1K around, that is they are providing in during the internship period. Yeah, I don't have any idea about that welcome kit, but for the full time job it is they will provide, but I don't have any idea. Hitesh, from tomorrow internship start. Okay, good. Hitesh, all the best as you are starting your career with persistent. Okay, I don't have laptop, so how will I get the laptop from the company? See, first you try to join. Okay, the first thing is, like I think if you don't have a laptop, maybe at present you can access your college systems, right? If possible, you can, means suppose if you don't have a laptop, I think college personal computer and all you can access. Okay, and because because of these issues and all, like because of the laptop you should not lose the job. Okay, you have to arrange. And suppose if you are staying in the same city where your college is there, so you can visit to your college, you can access the systems that are available in the college. So you have to manage, and the later once you join, then you can possible, if you discuss with the team, that your project team and all, your project lead, so you can arrange the laptop. Okay, that is the one thing, means you have to handle those issues. But you just request, and suppose if they won't provide during the internship, okay, you have to manage. Okay, because of that laptop you should not lose your job, because it has happened in last year, as one of the student with Infosys. The Infosys people, they asked a consent, like whether the student is having a laptop or not. Okay, and that one fellow, he mentioned no. Okay, so his joining is almost delayed. His joining is delayed around 6 months. Okay, so means it is happened with Infosys. Okay, his joining is delayed almost 6 months. So you should not you okay, see, definitely you can manage. Suppose if you are staying with the same college, no, you can access. Even nowadays all the colleges are having the systems with even these camera enabled also. And once you join the company, that time you can manage, you can ask the like company, you can get it. Okay, don't think about that. Dikshit, do you have any idea about cognizant? Yeah, that I don't have any idea, but you will get a mail. Okay, cognizant, I think they will start late, means their training and all, they will start late. And if you are selected in the cognizant, you can prepare. Okay, there is no much difference between persistent and cognizant. Karthik, my college is under BTU and I have the final year exam on 11th Feb. Okay, but the internship will start from February 17. Will they provide a holiday? Yes, definitely. But what you do, first you join. Okay, first you join, and you attend, like your exam starts from the 11th Feb, right? 11th Feb, but internship will start from, okay. So initially you start and means you first you join, and after 1 or 2 days you just communicate with your team member, the one who is a mentor for you. Okay, you okay, that time you just orally you can ask, or you can write a mail by attaching your timetable. You can attach your timetable and you can ask for leave. Okay, and I don't think you people are require any. I think your exams will be 2 hour or 3 hour. Okay, maybe 3 hour, and I think it is online only. So so on that particular day only you require a holiday. Okay, for preparation and all, the it is not required, you should not ask also for the preparation. Okay, on that particular day, like on February 7th, suppose if you are having any exam, okay, any one exam, so on that particular day you can take a leave. Don't take the leave for before exam and all. Okay, so you people have to learn all these things to how you can manage and how you can do the multiple task. Okay, and you people can do it, is not that much difficult. Okay, see, it shows like how you are committed to the work. Suppose your exam is on 7th Feb, and suppose if you are taken the only the leave on this particular day, one day leave, then that shows like how you can manage this task based upon the priority. Okay, so that is one skill. Suppose if you take a 2 to 3 days leave before the exam, then how you can manage in the future. Okay, so you can, so first you try to join, and later you can discuss with your the mentor and write a mail, attach your all the documents, timetable and all. Okay, so you people can manage, it is not that much difficult. Okay, Tanya, which one to join, persistent or accenture as a fresher? See, as a fresher, both are like there is no that much difference. Okay, the accenture is also good. Okay, you will get more hike immediately, I think. I heard this one, like you will get more hike immediately in accenture compared to persistent. Okay, so here there is no that much difference here. Okay, yeah. So in both the companies you have to work hard, and but in accenture I heard this, like, yeah, you will get a hike in the salary more immediately, you will get hike. So if you are having the offer like accenture, and better you can go for the accenture. I think the package will be same, I think, for both. I think Accenture maybe I think 4.5 is there, but you will get more hike in the Accenture. That is last year scenario. It depend even in the persistent also. So you just think about it. You can have a discussion with your seniors. What will be the salary hike if we switch persistent? It depend upon your skill and how you perform in the interview. Okay, and what type of project you have worked. Okay, and suppose if you are switching to suppose any the different domain like data science and all, then you will get the like 50-60% hike you will get. Depend. Okay, it is not like the same. Okay, it depend upon the company, which company you are switching, and on which project you have worked. Okay, like in which project you have worked, what are the skills you are having, and how the strong your resume. Okay, so everything matters because even for 1 year, even after pass out for 1 year also, you for you people they consider as a fresher only. Okay, suppose if you are from the 21-22 batch. Okay, for 1 year they will consider you people as a fresher only. Okay, but if you want more hike, it depends upon your skill, what type of project you have done, which domain you are switching. So that's why you have to continuously you have to upgrade your skills. And on GitHub platform, you try to do some projects and publish in the public. Okay, some end-to-end projects. Some end-to-end projects you can do it and publish in the GitHub, and that link you can provide it in your resume. Okay, so that all matters. mm, Pritam, how to change your technology from SQL to Python? Change your technology from. See here, there is no change. Change the technology from SQL to Python. I think you are asking about in persistent or see because the SQL, Python, Java, everything it is required. Okay, there is no change. These are all basic. Okay, Java and all it is required because last year, as I already mentioned, like last year they give training on the Java. The training they provided the training on Java, like 2.5 3 months training on Java. But most of the people for them they assigned the projects on Python. Okay, so this is required. This is compulsory. It is required. So there is no change of technology and all. So all means basics you should know. Dikshat, Dikshant, you are having a Wipro, Cognizant, and Virtusa. See, first of all, you just compare with the salary, okay? Because each company is having some benefits, okay? Like for example, in the Wipro, if you join as per their pre-placement talk, okay, I think from 3.5 to 9 LPA means if you work consistently, if you work for 3 years, I think that opportunity is there with Wipro. And for Cognizant also, like there is a growth is there like 2 to 3 years if you work. Even Virtues also, I think they are providing a minimum, I think 5 LP, I think minimum 7 LP and all. Good package is there, Virtues also. So you just still time is there. You just think about it because still for joining time is there. 6 month time is there, and you can just think about it. Have a discussion with the your any seniors. Okay, don't take the decision immediately. But you have to, at least you have to, till you accept, means you have to accept at least one offer from any of these companies. Okay, because you should have some backup. How much time to take 7 LPA from LP? See it, 7 LPA, 4.7 to 7.5 LPA. How much time means it take 2 years. It take 2 years to go from this to this. Okay, because as you will get your increment, your hike and all. With this, around 7.5 you will get, but you need to spend at least minimum 2 years. Minimum 2 years. So that's why you need to perform well in the joining only. That's why because the one who has joined with 7 LPA, 9 LPA, these people are lucky. Like in the starting only they are getting, but it depend upon the performance. Okay, how you, okay. So based upon their performance only they are provided. Okay, with the advanced coding, and because they are capable. Okay, they are capable, but see, you need continuously, you need to try. Okay, don't think about it, because if you want such a growth, you need to wait, and in any company you can, okay, they won't give directly like hike and all. So it based upon the performance. You may get more than this, more than the 7.5. You may get 10 LPA. Okay, after 1 or 2 years, it depend. Okay, it is not like 1 year or 2 year. As a fresher, you just focus on like what means, try to work on project, try to upgrade the skills. Okay, definitely you will get a hike increment in the future. Can we cancel the food policy and persistent? That no, I think that facility is not there. I don't know much about that. So from fresher perspective, what are the advantages to work with in the persistent? In the persistent, first of all, you are getting an opportunity to work in internship. Okay, so in the internship only you will explore different skills and communication with the team, project team and all the company members. Okay, because the interaction with your friends or your faculty is different. Okay, when you interact with your faculty or your friends, that interaction is different compared to if you work in a project. Okay, if you work in a project as a part of the project. Okay, or any kind of task that you do with company. Okay, you learn a lot of things, including your communication skill, soft skill, everything. The Okay, so you learn a lot of things from the industry. So that's why that is one thing. One is internship, and another is like there is a brand name. The persistent is the one of brand. Okay, so when you switch to the next company in the future, so definitely you will get more hike. That is one thing. And also in the training, the I heard the training is excellent. Okay, and the training is very, it is excellent. You will get learn a lot of things. Okay, from basic to advanced level, you will learn everything, and you will learn with different technology. Okay, even in the internship also, like you learn about the different technologies, like DevOps tools, software testing. Okay, so once you start with the career, no, definitely, and it is with all company nowadays. No, not only this persistent, every company is having their own learning modules. Infosys, Wipro, Accenture, okay, then Cognizant. Okay, every company, even TCS, okay, all companies having their own learning modules, the own way of learning skill. They're providing the materials to students. Okay, so the main thing is like the interest. You should like whichever the company, not only the persistent or cognizant. So whichever company is there, you just focus on your how you can upgrade your skills and all. Okay, because this is the age once you complete your graduation, right? So you just uh, build your the strong. The foundation should be strong. Okay, if you work 1 or 2 years, no, like in industry, definitely you will get higher package in the future. In the third year, okay, you will get that much of confidence. So you have to work hard for these 1 or 2 years. So is there any rejection? No, there is no rejection, but you have to work. Okay, whatever the task, whatever the assignments and all. I think the like in the training they will provide a assessment a test. Assessment means like some mini projects and all, some mini projects. Okay, so that you have to do. Okay, that you should have some skills like at least finding the code in the from the internet to write the some report, to give the presentation. So you should have some such skills. Okay, like coding, report, preparing the report and presentation. Okay, normally like you in your college you people do this. Okay, the same thing but in a professional way. Okay, in a professional way, like in the coding, while writing the coding, you people like you have to write the proper comments and all. Okay, and in the reporting, proper reporting, and in the presentation, as you people do in the college level seminars and all, the same thing. But here individually you are doing individually. Okay, even I think in team based also activities are there maybe. Okay, so yeah, Ganesh, Manas. Internet, yes, I heard this. Like they are providing the internet, but I'm not like they are providing the allowance. Allowance means some charges, whatever the you are spending on the internet that they are providing during the training. Yeah, during the training means it is like you, the whichever your salary is there. No, like for example, 4.71 your base package, and like around 31K or 32 something is there. No, so that you will get. If training means it is your job only. Training means it is your job, the full-time employment offer. Okay, so training means it is your when you are joining from that particular, suppose if you are joining on May 25th. Okay, so the like the next 6 to 6 days, 30, okay, May 30. Okay, suppose if you are joined here on 27, then 27 means 27 20, the 5 days salary also you will get. Okay, so one day salary also you will get. So from the day when you join the company. So training means it is your job only. Piyush, is it possible to take a 5 day leave? See, 5 day leave means as a internship, during the internship, like you should not take continuously 5 day. Okay, because it is a like it shows like you are unable to manage the things. Okay, see, in your suppose is any genuine reason, that time only you can try to take the leave. Suppose if your exam is on like for example 11th, 13, 15, on 17, suppose these are your exam dates. Okay, so on this particular date only you try to take a leave. And even though it is possible, suppose your exam is on from like, for example 2 to 5 p.m. and if possible you can try to cover morning also. See, you people can do it, is not that much big. That whatever your academic subject that you can handle, the academic subject is not that much difficult. Okay, you people can handle. If you refer the last 5 year question paper, if you refer the last 5 year question paper, you can manage. It is not that much difficult. Okay, you people are normally engineers, they study in the last moment last. Okay, so it is not so on this particular date only you try to take a leave. Suppose if you are having the exams, don't take in the middle one. Okay, if there is a, like if you don't have any exam, then you join the work. Okay, so try to handle multiple tasks. Don't take the continuous leave. That shows your capability. Okay, because now you should learn all these things, how you can manage multiple tasks. From tomorrow my internship is starting, but still I have not received any link. Yeah, I don't have any idea about that. The internship period, it is 5 to 6 month. 5 to 6 month. Ganesh, how much day required for the HR assessment results? Actually, it's been 12 days, but didn't receive the update for HR assessment. Okay, means you are completed your HR assessment virtually, not received any result. Okay. See, you just check it out whether your friends received. Okay, and the actually they normally they communicate to TPO about the selection list, the students selection list from the college. Okay, selection list from the college, normally they communicate to TPO, and also the next day or the same day they communicate to students also through the mail. Okay, so you just check it out whether your friends are receiving. So maybe there is a no such chances of final selection. Okay, you just confirm that. And also it takes some depend, it depends upon the person who is working on that uh, the result analysis and all. Okay, and during this like in the corona now, I think everyone is like work from home, like in the major cities, like in metropolitan cities, Pune, Bangalore, Mumbai and all. I think many people they are working from the home. There may be some delay. Okay, so you try to wait and also have a discussion with the TPO if your friends are received. If your friends are received, okay. If no one is, but for after HR assessment, no, like 99% chances are there. No such a rejection ratio. Almost everyone has received. Those who are completed the HR assessment, everyone has received the final selection mail. Do persistent keep freshers on bench? No, persistent they don't do things. Okay, because persistent is having the many projects. Okay, they are having many projects now, so that's why they are hiring more people. So there's more projects, so that's why there is no question of bench. Okay, Abdul, they are not providing laptop. They told us if it is really necessary, then they will. Okay, good. So as Abdul, as he shared good information. Okay, it is really necessary. Yeah, means during the internship, as like in internship they are not providing, but if there is no option for the students, like if there is no, if he is unable to arrange, then they will think about that. Okay, because Yeah, nowadays like almost everyone is having, but there are some students are there maybe the due to some financial and all they don't have the laptops. But if they are unable to manage, okay, one thing I just told to one of the student, like they can visit to college, okay, they can visit to college and they can use the infrastructure, okay, that is possible, okay, that you can take a permission also. Okay, that even see if you are willing to work, no, if you have that willpower, okay, if you are having some willpower, like I have to do such work means definitely. Even like last time, I think I have seen like one of the student he for the exam for examination he has taken the permission from the district collector during the COVID time. Okay, he was having one exam, so he took a permission from the DC district collector. So if you are having some like many reasons, hundreds of reasons like for no, to say no, we can find many reasons. Okay, that our brain almost it gives more preference to this. Okay, to say no, we find many thousands of reasons. So always be positive. Okay, think in a positive. Pijus, if I took leave for continuous 5 days for a genuine reason, but do not want to disclose the same to center, then what to do? See, normally, no one is busy with like the. It is not. It is like per day. Okay, or you can take the work and you can complete late night. Okay, in that way you have to manage. Suppose if you have time 24/7 time. Okay, it is not like you have to do the work in a real time. In real time also it is like you need to attend the some meetings and all. But suppose if there is such an opportunity, like suppose if it is you can able to do the work, you should not run away with the work. Okay, so the reason to take a leave for 5 days, you just think about it, how you can manage your or your personal work and also your this particular company work. I tell you one person is there. uh, he is from 1920 batch. Okay, the one person he is from the 1920 batch. He joined in the persistent system he joined. Okay, he's from Solapur city. Okay, and he joined virtually only, or virtually means from the after completing he be graduation, still he's working in the same company, that is work from home only. Okay, see, he's such a talent guy. Actually, he was placed in 2 3 companies, and he's like all rounder. Okay, he's like all rounder, and he's still working the company along with he also do some politics work. Okay, he is like some like the head of the youth congress. Okay, youth congress association, some like, okay, means he's do some social work also. He's in the politics and also social work. He has done lot of social work in the COVID time, to arrange the bed, to arrange the oxygen. Okay, so that guy he's still working in the company. Okay, uh, maybe you can see my YouTube channel that I don't want to mention his name. Last 2 years back, I think he like I arranged one session with the students, and he was like for mentoring purpose to give the guidance, to discuss about the syllabus and what is the pattern of persistent, and how to attempt the test and all. So this guy, he's managing his company work, okay, and he's also in a politics, and also he do the social work, okay. So just think about it, how he's managing everything. In the middle that maybe he left the company, but still he's working, and he's a social worker also. At any time he is available, 24 by 7 he is available, this guy. Okay, so you should have that type of skills. And do accenture keep pressures? No, I think nowadays the companies are not, they are keeping on the bench, okay, because almost all the companies are getting some good projects. So don't think about all those things. Like the people, there is no question of a bench here. I think I heard that many, like in the company means almost 8 to 9 hours, 9 hours you people have to work, okay, except but except the weekend, even 8 to 9 hours I think you people have to work. Abdul Saib, persistent don't give choice to choose our technology stack. We have to continue with what they are not. Yes, that is true. Whichever the technology they allocate, so that the student has to accept. It is true. Yeah, that you have to manage. Yes, the laptop and all during the training period. In the training period, they will provide. So once you join, that time you can do that process for the laptop. And in allowance, they pay around 1100 per hour. Yes, actually, he has done a good survey. So Abdul, he know everything. At the time of placement, studied only the basic of language, and I am able to do intermediate code. So training will help me to do my role in internship. Training will help me to do my role in internship. See, you no need to worry. Okay, so everyone is pressure here, and even you are crack the interview. Definitely, you will learn. You have a lot of time. Okay, you focus on learning the new skills. Okay, you can do. Okay, that is not. Don't just think in a positive way, because you see the persistent and electronics and telecommunication. So persistent is allowed. These guys means you just think about it. Okay, you are capable, so that's why they are hired. So you have to learn. You should you should develop a skill, self learning. This is very important, self learning skills. Okay, this is very important. Okay, Abdul, you are already entering. Okay, good. So if possible, you can share some information, like if you get some in the if anyone asks the question in the comment section, you try to answer, okay, because sharing the knowledge, it will help others also. Because nowadays, due to because the people, all the students, they are there at their home, and there is no communication between the students and their seniors. Okay, normally the student, they used to get information from the seniors, so that gap is there for these guys. Many students, I think there is no communication here. This communication gap is there. But earlier, no, when the students used to, they come to college, so there is a having a discussion between the students and the seniors. Yeah, when they take the bank details and all. Okay. Yes, Abdul, if you have any idea, you can mention in the chat. An internship working hours. See, training means it is like it is your job only. So from 9 to 5, 9 to 5 or 6 p.m. Okay, it depends. So training is your full-time job. Training means your full-time. And your internship also, I think they are mentioned 9 to I think 5 or 6 p.m. It's okay. So students have to update on their portal. So the student have they have to update their bank details, update their